I know the plans I have for you. Plans not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. At minsan sa totoo lang, feeling natin ang future natin full of worry, full of doubt, full of fear, parang walang kalatoy-latoy. But I just want you to know, we were born to believe. Sabi nga natin, born to believe. One more time. Sino rito ang anak ng Diyos? Pumalakpak ng isa. Sino rito kiniklaim mo Jeremiah 29:11? Pumalakpak ng dalawa. You were born for this. You were born for what? You are born to believe. Sabi nga natin, believe. Say it again. Ang pagtinignan mabuti, una, you are born to believe God's plan for your life. Can you shout, yes? Sabi ng Jeremiah 29:11, you were born for something special. You were born for great things. Can you shout, yes? And unless i-discover mo yan, walang kabuhay-buhay ang buhay mo. Sabi niya, for I know the plans I have for you.